Here is how to use Chrome extension on your phone. To use it, go to Play Store, then search for kiwi browser. Once you search for kiwi browser, you have to download it. So once it has been downloaded, then you have to click on open. Once you open it, then zoom your phone screen, then come to this place and click on from store. It brings you to this interface. Zoom in once again and locate where you can have your search bar, then search here for any Chrome extension of your choice. For instance, now I'm going to search for VPN, and I'm going to send it. Once you search for VPN, it's going to load and you'll be able to download any Chrome extension you like. I'm just using this for an example. You can search for any Chrome extension you wanted to use on your phone, and once you search for it, it's going to load and you will be done. So this is the one I wanted to download. I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, I'll be able to download it. So now this is it. I'm going to click on add to Chrome. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now it has been downloaded to my phone. This is showing me remove from Chrome. This is an indication that it has been downloaded. Now to find it where it is located, I'm going to click on this three dots icon at the top right area of my screen. Then I'm going to click on extension. Once I click on extension, I'll be able to locate the extension I've just downloaded. So that's basically how to use Chrome extension on your phone. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Let me know in the comment section below your favorite Chrome extension for Android phone. See you all in my next video.